Hey all, Chef Robert here from CSU East Bay, along with Chef Mecca from UC Berkeley. And today's Teaching Kitchen, we're doing sparkling peach lemonade. So now you see Chef Mecca is actually peeling this peach with a peeler. You can use a knife. If you are going to use a peeler, just be very gentle because you can bruise the meat and it will discolor. So she's going to take all the skin off of it. And now she's going to take a paring knife and cut this peach right down the middle. Just twist. And then one side you'll notice the peach has been removed, and then the other side the peach should just come out naturally. And then now you're just going to dice. We got some peaches that we peeled, cored, and diced. I've got some fresh lemon juice here. Okay, I'm gonna pour some sugar into it. I've got my water, and I'm gonna add my peaches. You wanna bring this to a medium simmer. We're gonna allow the sugar to dissolve, and then I'm gonna add this to the blender. So my peaches and the simple syrup have come together really nice. The sugar has dissolved. I've added it to the blender, and now I'm gonna puree this. So our mixture's ready. I put it in this really nice carafe. What's great about this is you can actually make this in advance, and it doesn't have to be peaches, it can be any fruit that's in season. I'm gonna go ahead and add some sparkling bubbly. And I'm gonna have Chef Mecca stem some really nice mint and put it in our tumbler glass that we put some ice in. And I'm gonna just pour it over ice. And there you have our finished drink, our sparkling peach lemonade.